So we're here where the army is currently staying because of the flooding. We're close to the river. They've done a lot of help, especially for the victims that have been affected. And we're gonna see and interview a couple of soldiers that we're gonna ask them, how was it and how are the people living with the flooding?
Here at the Service Battalion, we received our instructions from the CCMU, who had in turn a list of things that needed to be done for the municipality, for the town and whatnot. Us here at the Service Battalion, we made sure that everyone that was deployed were able to deploy with rations, with the transport, everything that needed to be done to make sure that the mission was a success. So here at the Service Battalion, we were over 50 people supplying all those goods to the military personnel that was on the ground. So whatever the town needed, that they push it up to the city of Montreal, then down to the CCMU, and then the CCMU would give us our tasks, and we were able to do whatever the town asked us to do.
Do you think that we, local businesses, some people could do for you? Rescue?
For us, for the rescuers, we're pretty self-contained. We don't necessarily require anything from the civilian population, because anything that we pull from the civilian population will take away from the people that are in need. So when we deploy, we're self-contained. Good swift handshake and a tap on the back is really all we're here to help you and not be everybody.
Oh, fantastic. And I'm sure here in the name of everybody, thank you very much for everything that you guys have done.